A big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So, finally, I'm coming on to you with the Onyx Storm spoiler free review. If you're first time here on my channel, I've already posted the video for the Fourth Wing, a spoiler free review, and Iron Flame spoiler free review, both in my channel. This is not annotated because this is the second copy. I gifted the first copy to my niece, so now I've started rehearing the graphic version of Fourth Wing in my Audible. So I'm enjoying rereading, revisiting them again, and this definitely the reviews are there, so you can watch it if you're interested. I mostly put non-spoiler reviews for all the fantasy romances, spicy romances, mafia romances, dark romances, so you'll find a lot. But today we are talking all about Onyx Storm. At the end I'll talk a little bit about the other two as well, but let's see. Yeah, this is the beauty that I picked up. I live in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I got this one done from, I got it from Kinokuniya, Dubai. So since it was not available here in Riyadh, and if you have not seen, I'll be having another haul as well for some more books. Stay tuned for that. Brimstone is coming from Kalihart in that haul, and I love this whole Suzuki series from like Tamahome. If you have Fuji Yugi, Yuiwatsi, so that series. So the fifth and sixth book is also coming. So look at this beautiful cover, especially this. Oh my God, Jaden and Violet, you can see them. So with all my expressions, you already know this is going to be a 5-star as well. All the 3 books have been 5-star for me. If you're a Rebecca Yarros fan, you will love it. Now after this, I'm planning to read her other books. However, this book I savored it. I took forever to finish it, but I did finish it, and I'm so happy. Finally, I got to get done with it. I had started on Tuesday, the 22nd April, and I have to write down the finish date. I think last month I finished it, so it was simply amazing. The book, I can't talk a lot about it because it will spoil the fun, and I don't want you to. But this book for me is like a journey. In this book, you get to see, for me, what I find is that you will see Violet totally proving her love for him, and Zayden, something happens to him trying not to lose control with her, and give back his love. So in this book, you will see Violet is trying to find a solution for a problem that has happened, and it's like the discovery. They are going to different continents. You get to see the world building a lot in this book. They get to meet new characters. They get to see new worlds, new magic systems. So that part of the fantasy I really enjoyed. I enjoyed the side characters a lot. Riddick was amazing as always. Even Dane, I think, kind of, especially at the end, there was one scene I almost cried, but luckily nothing. You will see. But Dane, really, he redeemed himself for me in this book finally. And of course, Tyrion and what's the other dragon name? Andrana. She also was there. Banter is amazing. Even the banter between, I love Tyrion, really. Tyrion and Violet, their banter is another level as well. So it was this book overall for me definitely a 5-star. And oh my god, what does she do now? This is the first time I'll have to wait for the next book, because the first book I read it, all the 3 books I was lucky to have it, to read it together. So I think for all those who have not yet read the book and you're thinking about picking it up, go for it and wait with me. If not, then I think once you know the 4th book is releasing, then read all. But I would rather read all the books and then reread them again. For me right now, I started the graphic versions again, so I'm excited. Onyx Storm, I didn't only read, I heard also. The other 2 books, at least I read, and I didn't hear Fourth Wing at all. Fourth Wing, I read the whole thing. Even Iron Storm, I read it in Kindle and this. But this Onyx Storm, I heard plus read it. The hearing was not that great audible. Like when I tell you to read Kalihart, Brimstone, and the, what is it, Quicksilver by, it's there, I think the Quicksilver is here. She'll have a partner soon, the Brimstone. So Quicksilver, I always tell you to read in Audible. This one not that much, but the Fourth Wing graphic, I'm enjoying it. It's really graphic, so it really makes me feel like I'm watching a movie in my head. So that's really good. So then again, what else I would say? Let me just see some annotated things I did for you guys. It's not a spoiler, but like few annotations. Pain isn't a competition. There's always enough to go around. I didn't annotate a lot, but somewhat. How about you get that? And you will see in this book, you will meet the jealous Xaden. If you have been waiting for Xaden to be jealous, this is the time. Finally, Xaden is jealous, and when Xaden is jealous, means he's really jealous. I'll tell you a little bit. Anger does not fully describe my current feelings. Okay, well the fuck aware. I own my own decisions. How about you get down here? Now would be preferable. So something happens and he tells her to get down because she just disappears. Something happens and then he asks her, like they are in a full meeting hall and he tells everybody to just get away from here. And when he returns and he doesn't find Violet, so he's like so pissed off with her. And then there are some spicy scenes also in this book. Okay. I live by you. When have I ever given a fuck about the codex or the code of conduct? I am yours and you are mine. There's no law or rule in this world or the next that will change that. Considering he was dangerous close to my side when I lost control, we decided the babysitting program wasn't as effective as we had hoped. I think this was when, this is a scene. I think what is his name? The Garrett. Garrett was supposed to babysit Xaden. I think that was the scene. Atos is there back also, the father of Dane. I hate him. And I don't know what to read to you guys, because many of the scenes will spoil your fun. Yeah. So what to do? Me like he's kissing me like I'm the only air he can breathe. So their love, it's really in this, even Violet, the way, she's one of my favorite female characters. I like the way she is, whole brought up, so fragile, but so good. Now, that's the scene I was going to tell you guys, okay? So this is the jealous Xaden, huh? You're actually jealous? Yes, love, I'm jealous. I'm jealous of the armor that holds you when I can't. The sheets on your bed that caresses your skin every night. And the blades that feel your hand. So when the prince of our realm walks into my classroom and starts talking to the women I love with what can be considered intense familiarity and then has the audacity to ask her right out in front of me, naturally I'm going to get jealous. I told you why. Back in Eresia, remember, right after I put on my throne, spread those beautiful ties, I remember. You're Xaden Ryzen, the shadow wielder, Duke of Tyrendor. Love of my life, you have nothing to be jealous of. So he kept asking her, he entered, did you love him? Did you love him? Something like that. So this is one of my favorite scenes from this book, I really, really, really loved it a lot. So overall, as I said, 5-star. And oh my god, you will not believe, there are so many theories going on in the internet. For me also, if I would say what's going to happen in the next book, I'm not sure how Rebecca Yarros does this, but when she does it so well. It's the cliffhanger of our lifetime. Something has happened. The memories have been erased for 12 hours and a lot. So if you have not read Onyx Storm, please don't wait. Go for it. Just get into it and you will love it. Now let me talk about the other two also. Iron Flame also was one of my favorites. I love this book also. I'm going to rehear it again. I'm going to get the graphic of this also. And then at the end, I think again I will have the Onyx also. I'm going to get the Onyx Storm also, the graphic. Right now I'm reading the Fourth Wing. Now this is the first time I reached the part while hearing is they are both fighting for the first time. when he comes to know that she keeps adding something in the food of the people, and first time they are meeting in the ring. So he's removed all her daggers. So that's the part I am in. There's a reason this book is loved by everybody. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video of mine. I will be posting another spoiler review of all the 3 books once I'm done with all their audios again, because the second time around when you read or hear it, you will have more to talk about. So that will be a full spoiler of all the 3 books. Look at the binding. I hate this part. Like, what happened for the iron? Couldn't they have it of the same side? What was the point of making it fat and short? The bind doesn't fix, but what to do? All right, if you have stayed till here and watched my video, please leave a heart, and thank you so much. Next video for the bookish content. I'm right now in the middle of reading Sweet Venom, so I'll be posting that video soon. Mostly this weekend is my plan to finish it off. And another book that I plan to be reading is I'm reading on the side is When She Unravels. I've read 50%, and then another book is The Bride, Bratva Night. Also I finished 50%. So stay tuned for those reviews. I will be posting a review also about all the books that I'm reading in 2020, like December, what books I plan to read. All right, and also review my November. I really don't know what I was doing in November. Not much books reviewed, but there are some Bratva books I read. I have to go through my reading log and think, because I reheard the my favorite God of what is this? This God of Fury. I'm saying not God of Fury. God of it's from Rina Ken, the book. God of not God of Malice, the God of Pain. No, the God of Ruin. God of Ruin. Landon's book. He's my favorite book of all of the books from Rina Ken. So I had audio for God of Ruin, and I reheard it. I don't know what happened, and I was wanted to read my favorite. So this Gabrielle Sand, When She Unravels, is also one of my favorites. So I was rehearing that, and I'm rehearing Fourth Wing. I'm not sure when I'm going to read the books I'm supposed to be reading, but anyhow, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are my favorite series, always going to be in my like it will always be in my mind, and I'll always recommend it to people. I love it so much, so much. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Bye.